It's official. Divi 4.0 has an official release date, October the 17th. This is very exciting news because all the features that we've been waiting for are now coming. And these are the theme builder and also the ability to build headers and footers. So let me talk about the theme builder for a little bit, because this is something that's going to be a game changer when it comes to designing websites using Divi. We are going to be able now to create a page which we can apply to either, your WooCommerce products. It may be your, let's say you have a LearnDash or Lifter LMS website that has lessons. You can design a custom lesson page and apply that design to all the lessons on your page. Now, not only that, if you have a WooCommerce store, you can actually design custom WooCommerce product pages, and that design can be applied just by a click of a button to the rest of all your products on your shop. So let's say you have a shop which has 100 or 1,000 products right now. With the theme builder, you'll be able to design one layout and apply that layout across all the products in your shop. So this is really, really amazing. It's going to make designing websites really, really fun. And it's also going to make us build these websites really, really fast. Now, if you buy Divi using my affiliate link, I have a huge bonus for you. And this is the Divi Blueprint 4 course. This course is ideal because it teaches you all these brand new features and also things like SEO, graphic design, and also, understanding how to use colors, typography, and all that stuff is very important for designing beautiful websites. And I'll cover this in the course. I also go beyond and talk about traffic, how to bring traffic to your website, and also WooCommerce. So there's a lot that I'm going to cover in this course. And if you're a beginner or or intermediate user, this course will be ideal for you because it will cover all the brand new features and also other related topics that are very, very important in web design. This course is going to cost $497, but by buying Divi using my affiliate link, you get that course absolutely free, and also you'll be entered to win the MacBook Pro. So it's a win-win situation. All you have to do is to use my link in the video description below. After you've bought Divi using my link, all you need to do is to drop me an email on funnelstoincome.com. I'll also add the link in the description. On the bottom right, you'll see a pop-up where you can just click and just let me know that you've bought Divi, attach your receipt, and I will give you access to the brand new course. Now, as I mentioned, the course will be released just after the release of the Divi 4.0. So I'll just need probably about a week or a week and a half or so, and the course will be ready. But I'll keep you in the loop, keep you all updated on what is going on. So back to the theme builder. Now, the theme builder is going to be compatible with a lot of software out there. For example, LearnDash, the Lifter LMS, MemberPress, and also, if you want to build a WooCommerce shop, I've done an extensive video showing you how flexible Divi is now to build your WooCommerce pages. So all these main plugins are also compatible with Divi 4.0. And you also have the ability to design your blog pages, your 404 pages, and even your archive pages. So it's going to be very, very exciting to use Divi now. And I highly recommend Divi for designing your websites, because this is going to be a fully fledged system and this will allow you to build professional looking websites. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comments box below and I'll do my best to respond to you as soon as possible. Now, for those of you who are on the VIP on funnelstoincome.com, you don't need to worry, because this course, you'll get it automatically because you're on the VIP. Now, for those of you who are lifetime members of Funnels to Income, again, you will get that course absolutely free. So guys, that's all I have for you. I'm really excited. Can't wait for October the 17th. And we will be doing some live sessions. We will be discussing about Divi 4.0, the possibilities, and all that exciting stuff. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.